morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in to another video. rushsrt back at it again. Today's video is the video that should have happened last week, where we check out the wide body Scatpack for 2019. Now, last week me and Alex were in search of the wide body Scatpack. Didn't find it. We found the 2019 Hellcat and got to take a look at that. But today I did find a 2019 Scatpack wide body, and we're going to check it out. It's actually not at a dealership though. It is owned by someone. Someone already bought it, and that's even better because I get to ask them all the questions that I want to know, like how is it, you know, how's the drive, how is the fuel economy, all these different questions that come to mind. Obviously, like fuel economy, we all know is trash on these cars, but nonetheless, we get to check out the car and see what the owner thinks of it after owning it for a couple weeks. So super excited, and I'm heading over there right now, so I'm gonna pick up the camera as soon as I meet the owner. Alrighty guys, so I just pulled up and met the owner of the 2019 Scatpack wide body, and there's Sideway sitting right next to it, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I mean, they really put some heat on with this, because I literally can't think of another car at this price point that looks this good. And I mean, they fixed kind of like some of the more main things that I was trying to kind of take care of with my car when I got it, which was mostly putting the power down, right? You know, the Scatpacks used to come with 245s. Now they have the 305s all the way around, and they come with the bigger Brembo brakes. So you have the stopping power. You have a better suspension on this as well. And one thing I didn't personally know, but you can actually add the new wing or new spoiler. So there you see the like 2017 model. So for 2019 you can get this, I think they call it like a duck lip spoiler, and it looks really good. I mean, it's a very gorgeous car. The front end, apart from that RT badge, pretty much looks like a Hellcat. This one's even got adaptive cruise control on it, so it is fully spec'd out. I think the only thing it doesn't really have would be the sunroof, but I mean, I know a lot of people don't get sunroofs on these cars, and that's for good reason. So I'm gonna give you guys a few shots of the car, the back, the front. I'm gonna start it up and you know, show you some more small changes that happen on the interior. Okay guys, that was a little bit of a stock exhaust versus a mid muffler delete on the 392. So this car hasn't had its mid mufflers taken out just yet, but I believe that's probably going to be coming up soon. So pretty noticeable sound difference between the two, definitely. Okay guys, so moving on into the interior now, we take a look and there's some small changes for 2019. Most notably, I can definitely tell you, is the little trim around the AC vents has changed. The shifter has a different finish on it as well, so the plating on there looks a little different. And then these bezels right here. So guys, the entertainment system has been changed up a little bit. So now you have the drive modes down here, and you get the track, sport, custom, and the auto. The auto is something new. Usually it's default, but I'm guessing auto, it'll automatically set up for you if you click it. I don't want to mess around with it since it is not my car, but the entertainment system is a little different. Definitely looks a little sharper, so maybe they did upgrade the display on here, because it looks a lot sharper than the one in my car. So the resolution looks a little higher. And then I believe there's some new features as well, as I was being told. So you have the launch button now, line lock, and a few other things that come along with it to better help you in putting the power down when you are racing. And now they give you leather right here, which I'm not sure if a lot of models came with this, but I know mine didn't for 2017. So that's a little bit of a change as well. So there is a little bit of touches in the interior that have been changed around. Okay guys, so I want to go ahead and wrap it up here, list all the differences for you guys that are looking at the 2019 wide body Scatpack. So now that we have the cars side by side, and I've spoken to the owner and gotten some clarification on what the differences are, because he's done all this research obviously to make sure you know, the changes that are on the car are things that he wanted. So one thing I'm being told is that the suspension is actually different. Even though it's adaptable suspension, is different than the Hellcat suspension. And if you look at it, you can kind of see it a little bit, but it looks like the back end sits a little higher than the front, so it's definitely of a more of an angled stance. It looks a little bit kind of like how the Demon did, but not as high in the back. And apparently that was done in hopes of making it you know, give it better handling. And he says that it handles really good. He's really happy with the way that it does handle. And then obviously some of the other differences that we already mentioned. The inlet holes light up now. You can get that adaptive cruise control, which is cool. Hellcat hood, bigger brakes, wider wheels and tires can now be fitted to it, and they look good when they're fitted on it too, which is really cool because you have the wide body now, so it definitely fills up the arch, and they don't kind of stick out too much or anything like that. So its stance is really nice. The entertainment system or infotainment system has changed up a little bit too. It's been updated, definitely more crisp of a display on it. The bezels have been changed out. You have a little bit of gloss black now. One of my favorite things is this new duck lid spoiler, which looks really good. And I believe that is pretty much it for the 2019 Scatpack. If I did miss something, make sure to list it in the comments below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and thank you to the owner of this vehicle for letting me check it out. I will keep him anonymous because that is his request. So if you do have a car you'd like me to check out and make a video about, hit me up. I don't mind keeping you anonymous. And yeah, there's side view, and there's 2019 wide body Scatpack. I'll see you guys later. Peace.